Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're traveling back to the swinging 60s to spotlight a true British classic of the 1965 Triumph Spitfire. This stylish and spirited roadster captured the hearts of drivers worldwide with its charm, affordability, and performance. Let's explore what makes this car so iconic. The 1965 Triumph Spitfire features a timeless design with its sleek, low-profile body, long hood, and short rear deck. Designed by the legendary Giovanni Michelotti, the Spitfire exudes elegance and simplicity. Its small dimensions and lightweight construction made it perfect for winding roads and spirited driving. Under the hood, the Spitfire was equipped with a 1.1-liter inline-four engine, producing around 63 horsepower. While modest by today's standards, the lightweight chassis allowed the Spitfire to deliver a thrilling and nimble driving experience. Paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox, it was a joy to drive, especially with the top down on a sunny day. The interior of the Spitfire was equally charming. It featured a simple, driver-focused design with a wooden dashboard, classic gauges, and comfortable bucket seats. The convertible soft top was easy to fold down, adding to the car's fun and carefree personality. The 1965 Triumph Spitfire wasn't just about looks, it was also a capable competitor in motorsport, especially in small-capacity racing categories. Its affordability and ease of maintenance made it accessible to enthusiasts who love to modify and race their cars. Thank you for joining us on this journey with the 1965 Triumph Spitfire. This little roadster remains a symbol of British motoring excellence and continues to be cherished by collectors and enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Trend for more classic car stories. See you next time.